Welcome to my channel. Today, I have a recipe for delicious baked pancakes with minced meat that you must prepare. I am presenting a list of the necessary ingredients. You can find the same list in the description under the video. I am also adding a link to my blog where you will find all my recipes. To start with, prepare 10 pancakes from your favorite recipe. For the stuffing, we need 250 g of mushrooms. Saute them in butter with some salt and pepper. Fry until ready. We add 500 g of minced meat. A favorite of mine is poultry. Fry with some salt, sweet paprika and pepper. Fry until the meat loses its raw color. Add half a red pepper, a small can of canned corn, and the mushrooms we fried earlier. In the end, add a glass of tomato puree. Fry everything for another 5 minutes so that the water from the tomatoes evaporates and the peppers soften slightly. Then set aside, cool the stuffing, prepare the pancakes, then sprinkle a little grated cheese on each. I used 200 grams of cheese for the whole portion. Place the cooled stuffing inside, then roll it up. First the sides and then form a roll. Prepare a dish resistant or baking sheet. We will bake it, lightly grease it with oil and then each pancake inside. Then pour the passata. Prepare about half a cup of tomato passata. Sprinkle everything yet. With the remaining cheese which we have left, put it in the preheated oven to 180 degrees. Bake approximately 20 minutes or until the cheese is nicely browned. This is what the finished dish looks like. It's delicious. Definitely prepare it. Watch my next materials. You can find this and other recipes on the blog. Greetings.